What makes the perfect chocolate chip cookie? Today, we're testing different baking techniques to see whether crispy, chewy, or cakey cookies win the ultimate showdown. Stick around for expert tips. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, we're diving into the science of chocolate chip cookies, breaking down different ingredients, methods, and baking times to create the perfect cookie. Let's get started. Flour. More flour equals a cakeyer cookie. Less flour equals a chewier cookie. Sugar. Brown sugar adds moisture and chewiness, while white sugar creates crisp edges. Butter versus oil. Butter enhances flavor and gives a soft texture, while oil makes cookies stay moist longer. Chocolate chips versus chunks. Standard chips hold shape while chopped chocolate melts into gooey layers. Creaming butter and sugar incorporates air for a lighter texture. Melting butter creates a denser, chewier cookie. Resting dough for 24 hours enhances flavor and improves texture. Using a hand mixer versus folding by hand. Overmixing leads to tough cookies, while gentle folding keeps them soft. Chilled dough versus room temperature dough. Chilled dough spreads less and creates a thicker cookie. Glass versus metal baking sheets. Metal heats faster for crispy edges, while glass bakes more evenly. Oven temperature, 325 degrees Fahrenheit for gooey cookies, 350 degrees for classic, and 375 degrees for crispy edges. Testing doneness. Look for golden edges with a slightly soft center. Sea salt sprinkle enhances sweetness and chocolate flavor. Espresso powder deepens the chocolate taste. Toasted nuts adds crunch and extra depth of flavor. Caramel swirls or peanut butter drizzles for a gourmet twist. Now, you know how to bake the perfect chocolate chip cookie. Do you prefer chewy, crispy, or cakey cookies? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more delicious baking tips. Want to master more baking techniques? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert recipes and kitchen hacks.